Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by opening Paint 3D and creating a clear workspace. First, launch the app and pick New or Open a file. This gets you into the editor quickly. Next, set the canvas size and resolution so your output matches the target use, for example 1920 x 1080 for screen. Make sure the background type, transparent or filled, is decided now. It affects later export and layering. Once done, save a backup copy to avoid losing progress as you add 3D elements. Now you'll build the scene by inserting 3D shapes or importing models. Choose shapes from the 3D library or drag in an FBX/OBJ file. Use the 3D view to position and orient objects, grab rotation and scale handles to refine placement, and align with grid or snap options for precision. Then apply materials, textures, and stickers to add realism. Adjust light angle and intensity to cell depth. Once satisfied, group objects to keep transforms consistent and continue refining layers and details. Finally, finalize your work by checking layers, opacity, and canvas resolution before exporting. Save the project file for future edits and use export to choose PNG, JPG, or 3MF depending on whether you need transparency or 3D printing support. Make sure to export at the right resolution and verify the preview. If something goes wrong, like missing textures or crashes, reset the canvas, update your graphics drivers, and reopen the project. If necessary, import the file into a new document to recover elements and try exporting again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.